Hey YouTube, Gallagher123123 back with you. Been a while, but I am here, and we're going to do another clock review. I know some of you guys on my channel enjoy this, so why not? What I have here on this shelf is a Howard Miller triple chime mantel clock. Yes, you heard me. A triple chime mantel. These are kind of rare and harder to find. Got this on eBay. I don't know how old it is. It's a Howard Miller with plays Westminster, Whittington, and Winchester, which is rare. Most triple chimes have St. Michael's, but this has Winchester. So in this video, I'll show you the different chimes and look at it. Give you a good look at what it sounds like and all that. So here it is. It's closed. It's closed. An 8-day wind-up clock, if you're curious. Also, I'll show you in a sec. Let me just open it. I'm going to put the phone down really quickly to open the clock. And you may hear this. I'm going to grab I'll hold on to the top of it while opening it. So now the clock is open. There's the door, kind of opens and closes. So you got your 3 holes, one on the right for the chime, the middle is for the time, and then for the strike. So it's very pretty here. And then you've got the pendulum. And the key I keep, I'm trying to focus that. That's the key to the clock. Okay. So finally, get into the good stuff. I am going to show you what the chimes sound like. So I'm going to move the hand to the right. Now, currently it's on Westminster. Let me just double check. Well, actually, before I show you, I'm just going to describe this a bit better. So on the face, you will feel 2 switches. So the one on the left turns the chime on and off, and the one on the right controls 3 chimes. So right now I'm leaving the switches alone, and we're going to hear Westminster first. So I'm going to move the clock hand to the 15, to the quarter past. Okay. Now here's the quarter 2. And finally, the hour strike. Beautiful tone on this clock, I think. Okay, so Whittington, I'm going to slide it down. Okay, should be good. And here's Whittington. Now, as I said, I just wound this, so it's going good. Here's the quarter past on Whittington. hour strike. And finally, we will do Winchester. Here we go. An hour strike. There you have all three chimes. So now I'm going to set it back to Westminster, and I'm going to set the time to 7:30, because it is now 7:20. So I'll do 7:30 and start the clock up and running again at 7:30. So we're back on Westminster now. And finally, let's move it to 7:30. And there it is.
Speech on. 8 minutes, 43 seconds. Speech off.
Okay, real quick, I'll just let you hear what this clock sounds like when it runs. So I'm gonna get the clock running. Now just so you can hear it better, I'm gonna close the clock and let you hear what it sounds like. It's very quiet, and I'm just gonna back up so you can hear. So it's a very nice clock. So that's this beautiful triple chime clock. Got it about 2 weeks ago. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of it. I know I've enjoyed showing you the chimes on it. So let me know what you think. Okay, Gallagher 123 123 signing off.